that is not the best way to get footage like this. Welcome to the Cobra Pit. Now, is this fly more combo worth it? Now, put it simply, if you want to fly more, then it probably is. But for me, I bought a Phantom 3 standard edition with no added accessories, and I regretted it. So let's go through this and do a little math and see if it's worth it. So already it comes with a, what do you call it? A shoulder bag, right? So me personally, I would have purchased something to carry it in. I don't know if I would have spent $89 on an official DJI one, but that's nice. I would have bought a bag. So there's that. Of course, here it is. And a full review will be coming later, but already it's way smaller, way smaller than my Phantom 3. Not as small as the Mini, but definitely a lot smaller than the Phantom 3. Boom. Three batteries, 1, 2, and 3. Now they are $115 each. So that'll be at $230 extra. Now, if I was buying this standalone, I would definitely need at least a second battery. So I'm glad both of them are here. This too is a whole lot smaller than the one I had on my Phantom 3. Okay. Having multiple batteries, you want a charger that would charge all the batteries simultaneously. So definitely a need. Added propellers. Now, I don't know if I would have purchased more, but it's nice to have. And after I damaged one, I probably would have needed another one, right? So there we go with that. Oh, okay, I had to go back in the shoulder bag. Another, woo, here we go. The ND filter set. Now, definitely a need. I'm not so crazy about the 3 that they have given us, a 16, 64, and 265, but I have them and it's good to start off with. I would be happy if I saw like an 8 in there. But, you know, I would definitely have purchased ND filters, so that's good to have. At least to start off. Okay, so this is that power adapter. You can plug this into your battery and charge your phone and other devices from it. So I definitely would not have purchased this, but it's only $19. So let's go ahead and make a big comparison of everything. Okay, so here's everything separated. Everything on the right side is what you get with the regular pack, which is $7.99. And these are all the additional things that you get with your Fly More pack. So $7.99 and this is $9.88, a difference of $189. Now, are these things worth $189? For me, definitely for the 2 batteries. $115, that's $230 right there. If you add in the props, that's $33 because they're $11 per set, 11, 11, 11. Definitely would purchase this charging hub, which is $60, $59 to charge my 3 batteries. And then the ND filters. This set right here, like I said, I would be more selective with mine, but $65 for these 3. And then this battery bank is $20. I would not buy that, but if I added up all of these, it'll be $495. If I took away this adapter, we're looking at $476, which would bring everything to over $1,200, close to $1,300. Now, $988 is a great value if you're gonna fly a lot. Now, my biggest concern is the battery life, and just buying the 2 batteries makes it worth it. So you have to look at $1,300 with this included shoulder bag that I definitely, and it's kind of nice material. Look at that. It says it right here. I don't know if it's weather resistant or anything, but it kind of looks like it. So yes, if you have the extra $200, I recommend getting the Fly More combo. You could, like the name suggests, fly more. So a lot of value in this. So, you know, look at what you need or what you have. If you already have a bag, like a larger backpack that you can carry all this in, then maybe that $89 won't even matter. Or maybe if you just wanted one more battery, then you wouldn't need the charging hub as much. So you have to look at what you need, what you want to do, and, you know, go with third-party, different kinds. Like Freewell has ND filters. So you have to look at what you want, and you have to decide for yourself. But I highly recommend this Fly More combo. All right, thanks for watching, and don't forget, Cobra told ya. All right, y'all.